This is a batch of commercial LED displays ready for shipment to Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. EA1000F2 outdoor advertising LED screen is a high-performance product available in 6 sizes to flexibly meet diverse display requirements. It also supports 45 degrees beveled cabinets. The cabinet houses modules equipped with aluminum backplates and vortex cooling fans. EA1000F2 advertising LED display features a cable-free design, with power and data cables concealed inside the cabinet for a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. The LED modules utilize a rigid connection method for stability and reliability. Furthermore, each module is equipped with a safety tether, allowing it to remain securely suspended during either front or rear maintenance. VVV